What is going on, guys? Harsh here. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys already know that I am a firm advocate of walking more steps, and I ask you guys to walk more steps in almost my every video. So just to show you guys even more benefits of walking, I thought to challenge myself to walk a certain amount of steps. So as you guys already know that I walk around 20,000 steps, and I've already seen many people did the 25,000 challenge. So for you guys, I tried to step it up a notch, and I will be walking 30,000 steps daily for next week, and let's find out the results. Oh wait. Before we start, if you guys want me to do some similar challenges, do comment down below and also subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment. Enjoy the video. Good morning guys, it's day one of the challenge. I just woke up. It's around 8:30 a.m. and I'm just going to weigh myself right now. Let's see what my weight and my fat percentage is, and we'll compare it to the end of the week. So let's weigh myself. As you can see, I weigh around 132.2 lbs and my fat content is 11.8% of fat. I'm really not expecting much of a difference, but as you can see, I'm having a little bit of fat here in my lower abs. My upper abs are visible, but still the lower ones are a little bit blurry, so you can see. So I can already tell you one of the pros of walking more is that you actually wake up early. I never wake up this early, but I had to wake up this early because of completing my steps. Otherwise I had to catch a lot in the end of the day if I am not around 25,000 or 30,000. So yeah, one of the pros is that you wake up early to hit more steps. Yeah, so it's 10:30 a.m. right now and I'm already done with 7,300 steps. It's like going pretty good till now, and now I'll just make my breakfast and head to the gym. So my gym is almost 650 meters far from the train station. So this is the train station over here, which gives me even a better reason to walk more. So yeah, you also try to take your train stations or even park your car or something else as far as you can from the place you are going, which will help you to actually have more steps in less time, or it will force you to have more steps. So I'm done with 26,000 steps right now. 4 more thousand steps to go. I came from the gym and I had my lunch, and since then I'm just walking. So it's been more than 1.5 hours or 2 hours and I'm just walking. Like maybe these people might be thinking like an idiot, because this is an apartment where I live in and some people are standing on the balcony and I'm just walking back and through from here, and some of them are just looking like me, like they're just going to kill me, like who is this guy, he's just walking over and over again. Yeah, so it's been 2 hours. My legs are going to say to me now that dude, just stop, because they have starting to hurt now. So yeah, 4 more thousand steps to go. So I'm done with 30,000 steps guys, and I am feeling very tired right now and my legs are paining too, and I think I'll be having a pretty good sleep today because of this tiredness. So yeah, I'll just be having my dinner right now and then sleep. I'm literally feeling to sleep right now. My eyes are feeling so heavy. Yeah, let's eat this and then go to sleep. So I'm at 3,000 steps right now, and I woke up late today around 9 o'clock because, as I told you last night, that I was feeling pretty tired. But the weird thing is that I'm not feeling any pain right now. That's really very strange. So here's this park right now near my place, and I try to walk at least 5,000 steps in the morning here. So if you are one of them who are trying to do some steps in a day, so I would really recommend to actually go in some open space and try to complete your as many steps as you can in morning time. or till noon, because that will actually make your challenge very easy. Quick tip. Hey guys. Okay, so guys, it is later in the day. It's around 6 o'clock and I'm just returning from the gym, as you can of course tell. And I'm just down with 15,000 steps, so I'm pretty behind today. So I have to walk a lot right now. So I'll just go home and eat my lunch and then just will walk. So it is day 3 guys, and I am in the park, as you can of course tell, and I am almost 4,000 steps down right now. It's almost 11 o'clock. Yeah, I woke up late today because I was really tired yesterday as well. So certainly I don't have to go to gym today. So the plan is to complete my steps before 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, so that at night I can just work on something else other than walking. So it is 10 p.m. and I am finally done with the steps. So the plan is to complete my steps before 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock. So it is day 4 guys, and it's almost 7:30 p.m. and I'm just done with 16,000 steps till now because it was raining since morning, and I also got wet today in my morning walk. So I was like, F it, I'll just walk in the evening. And it's done. So guys, it is day 5 of the challenge and we are heading towards the gym right now. And the thing is that today I am having the heavy benching session, which means that I have to hit a PR on my bench, and I am a little bit scared that will I be able to hit it or not, because of course I am walking a lot since these many days, so it might affect my training. So let's see what happens. I am really willing to do it today because I don't like to not hit my weights, not hit my numbers daily. Down and mess me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Cause you got me holding. Surprisingly, the workout went pretty well. The only thing I had to do was that I had to take a little bit longer rest periods, but that's okay, the workout matters. And by the way, for your kind information, I am done with today as well. So 2 more days to go. Focus. Yeah. 2 more days to go. Okay, so guys, it is day 6 and my ankles are literally killing me. Like yesterday when I went down to sleep, my legs were literally shaking. But that's what the fun part of a challenge is. You have to complete it. Anyways, it's around 7:40 p.m. and I am just done with 18,000 steps. Oh wait. It's done now. Hey guys, it is day 7 and around 9 o'clock, and I'm not going to my morning walk. I'm going to the doctor right now, as if you have seen my last video, I told you that I have an injury in my right knee. So I'm going to the doctor for that. Hopefully she doesn't tell me something serious and I can squat properly in future again. Hopefully. So apparently guys, she suggested me to consult an orthopedist because I have a very minute tear in my right knee and it's not a big of an issue. She said that it will be healed in 1 month. And speaking about the step sides, I am on the scarier side right now because I am just done with 10,000 steps and I have to walk 20 more thousand steps till 12 o'clock and it's already 7 p.m. Okay, so guys, last 1 more 1,000 steps to go. I could have walked them by now, but then I have to come inside because it got super dark outside and I am a little bit scared of darkness. So finally I am done with the challenge guys. Can't wait to show you the results. As you can see, I messed up with the timing a little bit, but still you can see 29,000 steps for yesterday and 1,000 steps for today, and you can see it's past 12 o'clock, which is why it is showing like this. It's done. Okay, so guys, it is the time to finally weigh myself after walking 30,000 steps daily for last 1 week, and I'm super excited right now. I can't express you guys. Let's see what my weight and what my fat percentage is. 128, 4 lbs down, and fat, what, 10.5% fat. So from 11.8 to 10.5% fat. Really? Okay guys, now you tell me any visual differences if you can see right now, because I have lost, as I told you, that 4 lbs of weight and 1.3 lbs of fat, 1.3% fat. So So the visual difference I noticed is this line over here, because I can never see my this one app properly. It is always blurry, but here it's quite clear, and my obliques are also quite ribbed than before. Still a little bit of fat over here, but still it's 10%, guys. So to get that shredded, I have to go to 6%. It's amazing. So do you guys also have to walk this much? Of course not. The only reason I had for this video is to motivate you guys to start walking. Even if you are walking 200 steps a day or 500 steps a day, move it to 3000 steps, then 5000, then 7500, then 10,000, and keep growing your step counts. I am telling you, you will result in losing weight. And again, if you got a little bit of value or motivation from this video, please subscribe to my channel and like, share, comment. Ciao.